buy a brick, we cook it on the stove. Now these niggas sucking dick, they looking up the hole. I ain't never heard about a nigga hoe. And the street for real. I ain't never heard about these niggas or they kills. Nigga get a little money, start tweaking on these pills. You a good at rapper, never did the drill. She like coulda come and fuck me, want they feel. She like coulda come and she let me miss they feel. I'm a solid nigga, I never fold. Get them gone quick if you break the code. I ain't crossing out my nigga about no hoe. I ain't talking down no nigga to no hoe. Put a nigga in a cat, leave him froze. I ain't put a nigga on.
Damn, cuz. Damn. Shit. I need to put my shit up. Them boys hot, man.
That's us.
That's you?
Yeah, that's us. Yes, ma'am.
Y'all gonna have to move it because the police come and he done wrote back here a couple of times now.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all right here? Y'all look nervous, guys. I see you got a camera on the back.
Y'all can't ask me though.
So what?
In my car, y'all can't ask me.
Her name is Scarlett and I was like, oh, I have to next time. Okay, okay.
Where your man?
My man.
Well, come on, girl, on a bike with me. Come on.
No.
That's fine.
Come to get on the bike with you when I just said my man is crazy.
I don't give a damn about your man.
Well, I don't give a damn about your wife.
I know that's right. Shit your man can't do, boo. How about your boy? Merry Christmas to you. Christmas in May, baby. Happy Memorial Day. I'll give you a memory.